Hey guys, what is up? My name is Will, and what I'm going to be doing, I think my camera's shifting down ever so slightly. I'm going to just adjust that a little bit. I'm using a tablet right now, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, what I'm doing in this quick little run through, I want to just show you guys some of the work I've been working on. This is a Telegram bot server, and what it allows you to do is to program Telegram bots such that this particular tool allows you to program customer journeys, style experiences, so that you can take your customer, say you say something like, I don't know, do you want to purchase basketballs? And your customer might say yes, and then you take them through an automatic switchboard style experience using Telegram bots. So without much further ado, I'm gonna just go through this walkthrough. So yeah, anyway, I've got off screen. I just grabbed my bot token. So you need this thing called an API token to instantiate or to initialize your bot. I'm gonna give a temporary name of CS bot. I made this UI and this whole entire application a few summers ago, and the software lay a little bit dormant as I was working on other projects. But now I think it's a good time to kind of revisit this software and to see the potential, to realize the potential of this software, as I think this program adds a lot of value to people who are keen on Telegram botting. So anyway, I'm going to go to configure chat trees. I'm going to drag my window here into view of my monitor display. Sorry guys, I'm just going to move it ever so slightly. It's off screen. Yeah, sweetness. And I'm going to, the way it works, this is an intuitive no code experience. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to add a node. I'm going to bring the node into view, and I'm going to say something like, I don't know, I use basketball, so I'm going to say, would my customer like to buy a basketball? And then I'll say like yes or no, something like that. And then the key is that you, in these tag fields, you write either yes, I'll do it in up lowercase, just normal case for now. Because for the sake of continuity, I'll leave it as it is. And no. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Like that. I'm going to make another node. I'm going to drag another node into view. And I'm going to say something like, great. Purchase confirmed. Back. Like that. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit my keyword tag. Oops. Just going to wait for my application to catch up. Like this. And now what I need to do is put this node ID in the target field of my respective node, and then this node ID in the respective field of the initial node, like this. So as you can see from the highlighting, I'm target for node 0 is targeting node 1, and node 1 is also targeting node 0 when the keyword tags are selected. I'm going to make one more node for if the user writes no instead of yes, and I'm going to say, let me see if I can just quickly edit some text. That's okay, back, something like that. And then you can also hit back, and I'm going to get node ID 0. I'm going to string target node ID 0 in my second node over there, node ID index at 2. So we have, that's our chat flow, as you can see, like this. I'm going to go ahead and parse my script. As you can see, the script parse complete. I just drag the window into view, and I'm going to hit home. Oh, I spelled no completely wrong. I just noticed there. So I let me just quickly have a look at that. So a little bit of a typo. No is, I put the letter N. It should be O. But anyway, I'm not going to change that right now. So anyway, I'm going to go on to update server, and I'm going to drag my Telegram client session onto view. So my bot token is respective to this particular chat. I probably want to clear the history. I was doing some botting earlier. So let me see. I'm not sure if I should clear the history just now. Might be a good idea. Here we go. So, would I like to buy a basketball? Yes or no? I'm gonna hit yes in all cases. As you, oh my gosh, I am going everywhere right now. I don't want a tattoo emoji. Sorry, Telegram. I'm gonna hit yes. I'm gonna wait a few seconds, and the script should parse. Yeah, great. Purchase confirmed. Back. I'm gonna hit back. I'm gonna write back rather. And then again, as you can recall from my chat flow, I go back to the first node. Would I like to buy a basketball? Now I should have written no, but I'm gonna write n as I programmed, and it should go to the the second node where I programmed certain text. Let's just quickly see if that doesn't work. I'm gonna just quickly confirm my chat flow. Maybe it was no. If it wasn't, I'm gonna just quickly confirm what happened by going back onto my chat flow and just observing what's going on here. Oh, I see. So guys, I made an error because I didn't actually program the node over here. As you can see, I left it blank. You know what I'm gonna do? So I'm gonna grab, this is the node I wanna connect. I'm gonna copy it. This is where I should have pasted the link. Boom, now as you can see the highlighting is there. I'm gonna parse my script one more time. Hope I hit the right button. I may not have hit the right button. Let me just quickly double check. Oh, yeah, I actually hit the wrong button. I made another node here. I don't know. It's off screen. I can't even drag it. Anyway, let me just save this. Oh, must I hit the purchase node or something? That's really weird. Let me pass my script anyway. Go back. And hopefully I didn't mistakenly configure my server, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to update it. I actually accidentally pressed the wrong button. And yeah, let me see if this works. So I'm going to write yes. I'm going to wait a few seconds. Great, purchase confirmed. I'm going to hit back. I keep saying hit back, but I'm going to write back. Now I'm going to write N. I should have even corrected the typo and I didn't do that. I'm going to write N. And as you can see, on the fly, I can update my server. That's okay, back. So guys, I just wanted to quickly show you some of the stuff, and I just realized that you can't really read everything there. Sorry, this is out of view. Here's the chat history. Thanks for watching. This is just a little bit of what I'm doing, and I'm thinking of releasing this tooling at some point. So do stay tuned. You're gonna see some updates on this tooling. It's part of my Telegram automation suite that I'm building at the moment. I already have a Telegram app and stuff like that built, but this is like my second one. So do watch this space for more exciting updates. Thanks guys, and have a good day. Bye.